Dear students, today we will learn how we can draw a cutout in the PCB. These actually cutouts are for the isolation purpose. Like over here, this is, you can see that this is a rectangular cutout, and if you see over here, these are the cutouts that are added into the PCB, and over here you can see that these are the cutouts that are added in the PCB. So today we will learn that how we can add cutout in the PCB using our KiCad. For that I have made a project and have opened this PCB editor. So for doing that, let's say I am going to add a footprint of the relay that is, let's say, used in the high voltage application, let's say like this one relay, and let's hit OK and place over the canvas. Now the next thing is, let's just add edge cut layer over here, boundaries of the board. And for drawing, let's say I want to isolate this pin number 11 from the pin 12 and 14. For doing that, what I will do, that I will choose edge cut, and let's go to this draw line tool over here, and over here you can see that let's just click over here, let's move towards this place over here, and let's choose over here, let's give a 1 mm width, then move over here and let's add over here, and you have to make sure that you draw a closed polygon over here in this way. You should have a closed shape for the edge cut layer in the edge cut, so that the KiCad can understand that this area inside these lines is actually the empty. There should be no PCB. So let's say if we look into 3D viewer, go to view and 3D view, and let's look into the bottom side. Now can you see that we have this cutout over here, but we don't want these sharp corners, so let's remove these sharp corners by doing that. Let's choose the edge cut, choose this draw arc, and let's select this one, let's draw arc over here. Similarly for drawing arc over here, click on this one. Now let's add over here, click over here, click over here, click over here, click. Now similarly let's add arc over here, actually let's change the grid from 1 mm to 0.5 mm, and now choose the arc, and let's do this, select over here and this way. Similarly let's do over here, click over here and click over here. Let's save this, and now the next thing is, let's make our lines connecting with this arc so that we remove our sharp corners. Let's just delete this section and let's move this over here, move this over here. Similarly over here, and for this one let's do over here, this one do over. Let's just delete this line segment, let's delete this, let's add over here, let's add over. Now we have rounded corners in our cutout. Let's see how this looks in 3D viewer. Go to view, 3D viewer, and on the bottom side you can see that we have this cutout inside the PCB. with the rounded corners. So in this way you can add cutouts in your PCB. These cutouts actually serve the purpose for isolation, and it is very necessary when you are dealing with the high voltage application or designing your PCB that has high voltages. Then you have to keep in mind how you can draw your cutouts. So today we have seen that you can add cutouts going to edge cut layer and draw the shapes, but that shape should be a closed one for drawing the cutouts.